If you want to create list of tables or list of figures automatically, like you are a PhD student writing your thesis, or you are just someone who wants to create a professional document, but you have a lot of pages, say 250 pages, 300, 400 pages, maybe this is your project work, and you are wondering how you can create list of tables automatically. If you look at this document now, you will notice that I have some tables here. I actually have about three tables and then two figures. So we are going to create them automatically using Microsoft Word. So you do not need to come and be doing it manually one by one. But before we do that, you will need to caption your tables very well, the tables and figures. You can see this figure does not have a caption. The same thing with this table. Look at it here. There's no caption. So you will not just come here and write your caption. If you write your caption here, it is not going to work. So you will need to do it properly so that it will work. Let me show you what you need to do. So before you start entering your creating your list of table, you need to caption very well. So let's do the caption. What I will do is I will right click on this particular table. You can see it here. So if I right click here, I will now say insert caption. You understand? Once I click on insert caption, it will tell me that this is caption, sorry, this is table 1. So what I will do is to copy the name of this table. I have it here. So I will just copy it, then paste it here. I will use the Control V. Then I will tell it that this is a table. You can see it is a table, but if it is a figure, you need to change. All right. So for table, I will leave it as a table. Then I will decide where I want it to be, whether I want it to be at the top or below. So let me choose above. Then you are set for this particular one. So you click OK. Immediately you click OK, you have your table here. I hope you understand. You can highlight, increase the font size, or whatever you want to do with it. So this is how to do this. I can go on and do for the rest. Let's say for this one, let me do the same thing. Right click, insert caption. Then you will see it here is already recognizing it as table 2. So let me copy the table title. Here's the table title. I'm using the column here. Okay, I hope you understand. So I will use Ctrl V from the keyboard to paste it. Now it is table, of course. Then, and I want it to be at the top. So I'll click OK. So we have our second table. We have included the caption for the second table. Okay. The next one is a figure. So for this one, I'll do the same thing for figure. Just right click, insert caption. You can see here that is showing us table 3, but this is not a table. So what I will do is I will change it to figure. Once I change that, it will now call it figure 1. Now let me get the title for that. So I will get this, copy, come here, use Ctrl V for paste. So I have this. Now for this, I don't want it to be at the top. It is already selected below because it is a figure. Okay. Now you click OK and you will see it below here. You know, it couldn't enter up there. I hope you understand. Now you can maybe increase the fonts if you so wish. That's font size. I think we'll still have like 2. At this time, I'm going to fast forward and complete the remaining process. Boom. Now that I'm done inserting the captions for all the tables and figures, you can see here we do not have any other thing here. So what I will now do now is to insert list of tables. Now, how do you insert list of tables? Is very simple. what you will do is to come to reference tab here. Okay, I am using Microsoft Office 2021. It is basically the same thing whether you are on Office 365 or Office 2013, 2016, 2019 is going to be the same thing. So, or maybe there may be little or that is slight changes. I hope you understand. So if I click on this reference, I will then click on insert table of figures. Do not bother. Microsoft Word just named it tables of figures, but it is used for list of tables or list of figures. Okay, so my cursor is here. That is where I want it to appear. I will then click on insert tables of figures. Then I will then say this. Remember, you can use this for table of contents, but we are considered with table of figures. But what we actually need now is list of tables. Okay, so how do we activate that? This place where we have caption label, we want the one labeled as tables, not the one labeled for caption. I hope you understand, because what we want to do now is list of tables. So I will select tables. We can change the template here if you have different templates. Okay, I'm using the template from the Microsoft Word that I'm currently using. So it will show you the preview here, the web preview. You may also decide whether you want to show the page numbers. Look at it. So you can disable it, or the dots, you can enable or disable. You can as well change the style of that dots. I hope you understand. So you can as well say none. So it depends on what you want. Once you are done, you click OK, and boom, we'll have our list of tables with the page numbers where they appeared. You do not need to do this manually. Okay, you may be wondering, what if you add another table or add another figure? How will it update? Don't worry, I am going to show you how to do that. But before that, let's also insert list of figures. So I will also place my mouse pointer here, then do the same thing. From reference tab, I'll click on insert tables of figures. From here, I will now choose figures. You can see it here, it's already selected. Then I'll click OK. Remember, you can do all of these settings depending on your choice. Then once I click OK, it is going to insert list of figures for me. You can see it. This is where we got it. You can see it's basically the same thing. Okay. Now, how do you then update it if you have a new one? Let's assume I have a fresh table or a fresh figure, as the case may be. I'm just scrolling at the bottom. So here, I'm going to press enter so that I'll get a new figure. Let me just get a random something. This is just a screenshot. I will copy it, come to this place and paste it. Once I do that, I now have a new figure here. Okay, so for this figure, what I will do is to label it correctly. So I will just right click and say insert caption. Is now recognizing it as figure 3. So I can just name it anything. Okay. So after that, I'll click OK. So I have my synonym here, my figure here. Okay. Now, when I go up again, I'll come to this place. It's still showing me 2 figures. Okay, so what I will do is to right click on it. Once I right click, I will see this here, update field. Update field, I will click on it. It will now ask me, do you want to update page numbers only or update entire table? So I am going to say update entire table. So then I'll click OK. Boom, we'll have our figures here. Okay, I hope that video was helpful. Please let me have your thoughts in the comment section below. I will read and respond to each and every one of them. Also remember to like, subscribe and share this video with your loved one. This will be a way of you helping me to grow. Finally, I am recommending this video to you. Please go and watch it now. Again, YouTube is recommending this video based on your interest. You can also find their links in the description box below. I will see you on the next one. Bye.